Go.
Hello everyone, this is Phil from Milner Record Service. Today I'm going to show you how to hook up the fifth wheel attachment. Fifth wheel plate, end caps, and pins. Next we're going to put the saddle in the receivers and put the fifth wheel plate on the saddle. Next we'll put the saddle and fifth wheel connect. All right, now we're going to talk about the pins. These pins go to the receiver. This goes to the fifth wheel plate, and this here goes to the kingpin.
Go.
All right, first thing we're going to do is connect the pin to the fifth wheel plate, to the saddle. You want to make sure that it's in this groove right here. It locks it in place. Then you put the pin. You put the pin to secure. These pins lock the saddle to the receiver. Then you slide the fifth wheel plate into the kingpin. No, this is the trailer I brought anyway. Then you slide this pin into the kingpin to secure it. Then you put your glad hands on to run your air. You have the constant air and you have the brakes. Then you run your power cord to the trailer so that you have control. Bring your trailer in. You run your chain to your end caps to lock your T-bar in. You have to put it on both sides. Run your wheel lift out to tighten the chains. And that's how you use a fifth wheel attachment.